No entry?
You're vlogging?
Yeah. This is the view I was talking about. It's a little lower, right? ऐसे उड़ेगा वो पर. There are no lights in this tunnel. एक मिनट रुक. अरे हेलमेट यार, मेरे ग्लव्स पहने हुए निकालना ही पड़ेगा. यू गाइस नो द रूट कि मैं लीड करूँ? ओके. हाय एवरीवन, इट्स मंडे मॉर्निंग. It's exactly 6:10. We were supposed to leave at 6. We're just 10 minutes late. That's cool. Considering we left almost an hour and a half late last time. And today is Holi, by the way. So it's a leave for Sarthak. Sarthak is a guy on the Continental GT. So it was a leave for him, it was a leave for me. That's why we decided to postpone the ride to Monday. We are heading to Lonavala. So we had decided that we'll stop in Lonavala and then we'll see if you want to head towards Mumbai, but I'm pretty sure that if we stop in Lonavala, we're not going to be heading any further, because once you stop, the momentum is gone. You feel tired, and plus it's summer, so it's going to be really, really hot by the time we reach there. If Mumbai does happen, then I'll probably change the title to Pune, Mumbai, Pune, rather than Pune, Lonavala, Pune.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep tonight. My only vice
I don't see these guys. Yeah.
by your side. So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down. So just take me there to higher ground. Save me. I'm holding on to you. My soul is fading. I'm falling into blue. Why don't you save me? My blood is running cold. So lift me up and give me higher ground.
मैं अगर पीछे रह गया तो तू जा आगे. I'll keep up. ठीक है? Now it's just a straight road to Lonavala, so I've told them that I might be behind, because if I want to vlog, if I want to talk to you guys, I have to come down to these kind of speeds. Otherwise there's going to be too much wind blast, there's going to be too much wind noise, and I'm not going to be audible at all. The weather is just perfect. The summers have kind of started, but then mornings are pleasant. It's pleasant right now. Even with all of my riding gear on, my jacket and everything, doesn't feel hot at all.
So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold.
This is the stretch. I think about 3-4 years ago when I had my old Duke 390. This is the stretch where that was the first time I went, above 150 on a bike. Since then, I've gone 150 plus so many times, but the first time is always a special time.
Save me. I'm holding on to you. My soul is fading. I'm falling.
That was the turn for the expressway. Two-wheelers allowed नहीं है उस पे. I wish two-wheelers allowed होते. मुंबई हम लोग ऐसे पहुंच जाते अगर जाना होता. This is the best part about going for rides in the morning. The roads are f***ing empty. You could easily maintain 130, 140. Now the 3-lane goodness is over. It's a 2-lane road till Lonavala. But it's okay. Still a nice, pleasant morning on this beautiful bike. The roads are a little bad because there's construction work going on over here, but it's just a relatively short patch. क्या हुआ? These guys are switching their bikes, I think.
You can go first. I'll go a little slow because I'm used to ABS. And I'm
Once you're used to ABS, you can't go back. I think we can easily do Mumbai. There's no traffic, nothing. क्या करना है बोल?
Our main concern is breakfast.
हाँ, but अभी कितने बज रहे हैं exactly?
7.
It's 7 ना. We'll be in Mumbai by 9:30 पकड़.
The cam is on, over.
Yeah, it's on. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay. YouTuber.
अच्छा बोल क्या करना है? Then we'll have to like start moving quickly. चल we'll head to Lonavala. We'll take a call. ठीक है? अरे he's thinking too much. I don't mind. अभी ठीक हो गया ना? बीमार थोड़ी है तू?
अभी बीमार नहीं है मैं.
हाँ तो do one thing. You ride this one, let me ride that one. This has ABS, yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, we switched to the Benelli. So Sarthak is riding my bike, Ahan is riding Sarthak's bike, and I am riding Ahan's bike. This is a Benelli TNT 25. My bike looks so beautiful. I'm just a little scared of ripping this bike too hard because this bike doesn't have ABS and now I'm kind of used to it. The stance, the seat, everything's just so comfortable, but no power. Look at this. I think this bike would be good if the Duke 250 did not exist, because that bike just got a little more punch. But this bike, of course, it's way more premium because it's an Italian bike. You can tell by the build quality, the parts, the tank, the switches, everything just feels a little bit more premium.
मैं हमेशा इसको पकड़ ले रहा था because भाई
Yeah. It's a little lower, right? If you're getting the handlebar mirrors, no, get them like fixed up. Yeah. If it's up, you'll be able to actually use those mirrors. अगर नीचे होते तो it's kind of covered by a forearm. We were very quick. We reached in an hour.
Bombay.
Yeah? Let's do? Chalo. Let's go. Yeah, I'll write that later, yeah. No, I'll write it later. Now we'll directly go to Mumbai first. While coming back, we'll do that. Okay, back on my bike and change in plans as usual. सब हमारा last minute पे होता है. Last minute पे plan change and we are heading straight to Mumbai. We'll have breakfast there. Now we'll be connecting to the expressway for short patch. अभी थोड़ा सा घाट section है. The view is really good during monsoons, but no entry. This is the view I was talking about. There are just so many riders here. It just feels so nice to see so many riders come for rides on a Monday.
Inside my head, coming up close on those better days, those better.
Oh, बच गया. Here's the expressway. सीधा सार्थक, सीधा जाना है. You got to go straight. हाँ? नहीं. Expressway touch करना है. For some time we will be on the expressway. Follow कर. Okay, this is the expressway. It's a beautiful 3-lane straight road till Mumbai. The actual like this is the guard section of the expressway, but the other part you have turns where the road is actually bending. The road actually has an angle in some places. My camera has actually chewed up one battery already. I have one other battery which I've put in. I'm gonna charge my batteries once we are there because I don't want to run out of juice while we are riding. I can charge the GoPro. They'll have to put the cable here. My power bank's in the bag. It's just going to be a mess. So it's better I just be a little conservative while vlogging. There are no lights in this tunnel, but it's a short one, so it's cool. I don't know if you guys can even see anything on the camera. Now, I think the crane has fallen. It has fallen down. We've done exactly 100 kilometers from Pune. We've got about 80-90 more kilometers to go. And I don't know why, but यहाँ पे सब कुछ foggy है. Like it's not cold anymore. The temperature is going up slowly. I don't know if it's pollution. I don't know if something's burning around here. पता नहीं क्या है. ये सारी लंबी लंबी बिल्डिंग्स देख के पता चल जाता है कि अब मुंबई ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. 130 kilometers done, 50 kilometers to go. I wish we could continue. You lead then if you know the road. You're on maps, right? Oops. Okay.
A few moments later.
अरे भाई कितना लंबा है ये? अरे नहीं नहीं, it has to be walking. पूरे सब लोग रुके हुए पीछे. सार्थक needs to refuel. अब हाँ मेरा है आधा, but I'll refuel ना. आधे टाइम again we'll have to stop.
फुल.
हाँ फुल कर दो. Thank you.
वो उड़ता नहीं क्या तेरा?
क्या?
नेपाल.
हाँ नेपाल उड़ते रहता ना वो, ऐसे डाल के रखने का उसको, ये ऐसे ऐसे उड़ेगा वो पर 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 पर. We need not go to that place. We can go somewhere else. Because अगर अंदर जाएंगे ना तो एक तो अंदर जाने के टाइम लगेगा और फिर बाहर निकलने के टाइम लगेगा. We can go somewhere which is not too inside the city because मेरे को अभी ट्रैफिक में अटकने का नहीं है.
वहीं पे अगर खाने का मन किया तो उठा लेंगे.
I know this place. I forgot the name यार. मेरे दोस्त के सोसाइटी के बाहर है. हीरानंदानी के पहले है वो बहुत. और चल we'll go to हीरानंदानी and we'll find something there. Worst case scenario सबवे वगैरह कुछ खा लेंगे और क्या.
शुभम बोलेगा वो क्या देखो वाहनों में मिल जाता.
शिवम 100% बोलने वाला है. सबवे तेरे घर के बाजू में और तू मुंबई सबवे खाने गए है. चलो. It's time to set the trip meter again. I did 144 kilometers and used up half my tank. I got great mileage because I can do about 200 kilometers in a full tank inside the city. But on highway, of course, I'm gonna get better mileage. So 300 kilometers on a full tank, not bad. We've officially entered Mumbai, and now the roads are not that empty. But anyway, we're not going too inside the city because we don't want to deal with traffic because we got to come back as well. We'll stop somewhere in Powai or Hiranandani and have breakfast there. 6.7% interest पे home loan. I think I should definitely buy a house. 7.5 पे car loan. 8.8 पे loan against property. क्या बैंक है? सरस्वत बैंक. नहीं भाई, रहने दो. जो हीरानंदानी का वो मेन सर्कल जैसा है ना, I don't know what it's called, but like you have a lot of places to eat. It's open, right? चालू है ना? Who's calling me? We've reached finally. We'll just eat and we'll head back home. यहाँ पे रेड लाइट ब्लिंक हो रही है क्या? $9.20. We took 2.5 hours, bro. Total, it took us 3 hours, but we stopped 3-4 times. So 2.5 घंटे में पहुंच गए मुंबई.